Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be introducing us to some useful functions in Excel. The first part of this tutorial is the autofill function. The autofill in Excel automatically fills a series of cells. Let's say for instance, we have 10 and 20. Let's select the two cells at the same time by clicking on the shift and the down arrow. Then we left click here and fill handle downward. Autofill automatically fills in the number based on the pattern on the first two numbers, which is 10 and 20. You can also do the same thing here. Left click, select the cell and left click. Same thing for this. Left click, go down. Same thing for dates. Left click, click on the cell. Left click. You can decide to change the years, the months, the weekdays, for time. Let's select the cell. Then we left click to the right side. See that. The second part of this tutorial is the comment. Let's select the cell. Then we right click, insert comment. Let's say for instance, camera. David. Stays to right value. Incidents. Can delete comments or edit it if you want. So let's delete the comments. The third part of this tutorial is hiding of columns or row. This is the column and this is the row. Hide our column, select it, then right click, then hide. Can also unhide it if you want. To hide the row, select it, click on hide, unhide it. Third part of this tutorial is Autofit column and width. The default width of a column is 64 pixels. You can change the width of a column by clicking and dragging the right border of the column header. This is the column. Let's say change the width. You can also increase the row, the width of the row. Increase the width of the row. The fifth part of this tutorial is the flash fill. We use flash fill to extract combined data. Let's say want to extract it in numbers. Yeah. So bring out the first number, which is 97875. Then we left click here. So yeah, and click on flash fill. Can you see? This is what called the flash fill. You can also use flash fill to combine data. So we have this, and we need emails. And say Johnson. Let's expand to column here. Now let's click and go down. Click on the flash fill. So this is the beauty of flash fill here. Same thing for this. So, click on flash fill. Can you see that? That's the beauty. Some useful functions. Count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers. Let's say we have then we need the number of cells that contain numbers. Function is type is equals to count. Counts the number of cells in a range that contain only number. Then we select cells. Left click, go down. Then you close your parentheses. Enter. See that. We have 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have sum. To sum a range of value, we use the sum function in Excel. That's why we have 10. To sum this, equals sign, sum. See, sum add all the number in a range of cell. You click on it, then select the range of cell. This left click, go down, then close the parentheses. Using the shift, close parentheses button, then enter. This will sum the range of value. We also have the if function. The if function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. Let's say we have this. So we use if function here. Equals an if function. Can you see? If function checks whether a condition is met and returns. Then if this is greater than or equals to 60. Let's say 50 here. Greater than or equals to 50. It should be pass. If it is not greater or equals to 50, then fail. Press enter. 57 is greater than 50, that means it's pass. Then do this. Can you see? 41 is below 50, that's fail. Then we also have the min and the max. To find the minimum value, use the min function. Equals to min. The min returns the smallest number in the set of values. We'll select everything here. Close the parentheses, enter. Smallest value here is -5. Do the same thing here. The max for the maximum. The max function returns the largest value in a set of value. Close the parentheses. Maximum value here is 9. We use the exact powerful function, the sum product. To use the sum product, type equals sign and sum product. It runs the sum of the product of corresponding ranges or array. Now, the first array is this, select it, comma, then the second array is this, close the parenthesis, equal sign, multiply 2 times this plus 2 times 4,000 plus 4 times 350. Sum product here will give us this. We also have the square root. To get the square root, use the sqrt function. That's the square. Let's say we need the square root of 16. Close the parenthesis. That's 4. We also have the percentage. Calculating percentages in Excel is easy. Percentage simply means out of 100. So 72% is 72 out of 100. First, we enter the decimal here, 0.72. Then we go to the Home tab. Yeah, click on this percent. And you see, change it to 72%. We can also calculate the percentage of total. To calculate the percentage of total in Excel, the first step is this. Divide this, then the forward slash this first. Then we go to the Home tab and click on percentage sign. The percentage of total here is 20%. And also calculate the percentage change. To calculate the percentage change between two numbers in Excel, use the following steps. That is, the new cell minus the previous cell, divide it by the previous cell. So equals to sum into the parentheses, the new cell minus old cell, close the parentheses, divided by the previous cell. And you see that's percentage change. 2%.